fitlhile gape nako e nngwe ya taba ya ka le manko go bibi mo go Thobela FM mo ileng gore nna ke go temishella bohlano ke mo go asha ke malela go tuma go busha sa go lele wo re mo tshwereng le khono nna ga re mo tseba ke baka la go rata ditshwantšhetšo le ditshwantšhetšo di ga o televisioneng re mo tsebile gona mo go generations ge re sa re no bona mothušu tšatši le lengwe o ka re a ke tsebe ke psesha di olele tšatši le ngara a ke sa di tsena nna ke boela go modimo e fela tše ka moka lerato la bana ba gagwe wow Thabiso Mokgedi banna ba ke ba tlhomphang ke ba rolelang kefa ke ba go rata bana ba bona wena daddy's girls
ba itse mo
ke ba tseba ga botse dimela
ngwanesho le ka
ba ga ba daddy's girls
ba gona ba sekolong
ke ratsa ka mo go ba ratang ka gone
I think lerato leo man is natural.
Yeah.
You know, le ha batho ba ntjwetsa gore Thabiso, you're such a family man, we see how you love your children.
Yeah.
Konna gore it's most natural, and I think as parents re tlamehile gore re nne yalo. I don't believe gore I'm doing something extra special. It's my responsibility ke bana ba ka.
Wow.
You know, those are my gifts from God, and ge ke ithata nna a go bonagale ka bana ba ka.
Wow.
Polelo
yo go botsa motho mongwe rile gore motho go tsebe gore kwena mang a lebelle bana ba gago o tla kwisha gore wena kwena mang ba ska go atlhola ka go lebella ro Thabisa a ba go atlhole ka go lebella bana ba gago ge ile gore bana le mata a go atlhola.
That's true, my sister.
Go bolokegile gore re botsishe gore bo mma go bona ba kae
go bolokegile akere bateng so because bateng clearly there's a mother.
Yeah.
Both my children ke ba fumane lenyalone.
Okay.
I was married for 11 years. I was together 16 years with my partner, my previous partner, which means we dated for 5 years.
Okay.
And then ebe re nyala.
Wow.
Within our 16 years of life, re na le bana ba bararo. You know, ke Thabisa Morena, ke Thabo ya Morena, le Thato ya Morena. Ka moka ke bana ba Morena.
Nka le dititi
Ke dititi a ke re thoma mo.
o bona le nna re ratella e fela ka baka la re ke taba ya gago le nna nka se go botse gore goreng le dititi sabe letter le leng gore ke la leina la mama.
No gore re le ra dumelana gore ha ke re Thabisa Morena
Yeah.
re bolela ka Morena modimo.
Okay.
You know, so she couldn't fight against God's will.
ane le Thabisa Morena ya ba Thato ya Morena
Ke Thabisa Morena ke Thabo ya Morena le Thato ya Morena.
Wow. Okay. Rena ga re go tsebile o le mola di screening tša ka ga borena re go tlhalela re mothako go generations. Re botse ka semo go generations re go fitlhile jwang re o tsene mola.
Wa tseba taba ya Sami ke ntho e ke e ratang a ke kgathalo bolela ka yone.
Yeah.
Because my father passed away nako ke tsa grade 11.
Okay.
And then mama was a stay-at-home mom. She had retired. Papa re ke tla le hlokomela le na hlokomelang le lapa le bana. So when my father passed away, unfortunately, tsotlhao ya kena ka tlung. You know, dijo ne di sa leyo. My mother was depressed. Le nna ge ke lemoga and I look back, I realized gore I was depressed because there were things I started doing ne di le wrong. Ke ga ke thoma go nwa, ke thoma go tsuba, ke thoma go experimenta ka di drugs. And this is before fame. Ke ngwana high school. You know, because now there's poverty in the house. Se ke tswa fa o ya ka tlung because go be ka tlung.
Yeah.
You know, and by so doing ka iphumana ke dula di khoneng le bashimane ba bangwe who were also avoiding the misery tsa malapa a bone. And now we are small boys, young boys who are hurt, who are confused, and we don't have leadership.
Yeah.
Ke ga re leadana ko nthong tse dimpe. You know, and that's why even today I'm very passionate about educating young people. Gore ha maemo hao a le boima, do not add more trouble unto them. Yes, your solution is your seemo sa hao, your situation is bad, but solution has to be the opposite of what you are going through. Because ke bone le ka nna, when all those things were happening, ke ile ka inehela ho Modimo, you know, and I cried to God. I was a young man, but my mother had taught me taba ya kereke.
Okay.
So even though things were bad, I knew gore ha ona letho e phalang Modimo. So I went to God in prayer. I was like, God, mom is depressed. My older brother is in varsity, Tsepo High School. Nna ke go varsity le nne ke le mo ko vets. But I was aware that I won't even be able to finish the year ka tšhelete e setseng. You know, and ne ke batla di solution ho Modimo ntate. And I found myself in a rehab center because the first thing I had to change was before maemo aka a change, I had to stop how I was reacting to problems.
Yeah.
And instead of putting more drugs in my body, I decided to fight against the drugs. And I had to realize that I'm powerless over it. So e re ke kope thuso.
Okay.
And I asked for help. Found myself in a rehab. In that rehab, I was introduced to two people. I was introduced to Jesus Christ, and I was introduced to Thabiso Mokgethi.
a re emenyana mo pele ga ge re tlo tsenela mo ke nyaka re boele morago ge ka gae go be go sa tlhakane go be go sena dijo go sena selo Thabiso ga bona bokaone le gore a be ko strateng o be ko mebileng go na le gore e ka gae mo e leng gore go na le tlala tšhelete ya go reka diokobatši yone be e tswa kae
Wa tseba o qala hanyane because wa kera ko sekolong akere.
Okay.
And then ha o je sekolong wa e beha. After school ge le kopana, yo well sorry 20 ranta, yo sorry 20 ranta la e kopanya. E ba bo ma 100 ranta. La qala he mall reka matekwane, le reka dipilisi, le reka dipia. And then because taba ya Satane ha e felle mona. Satane o bula lesoba le lenyane.
Yeah.
A tsene. And then ha se a tsene lesoba leo e tla ba window yeo e tla ba monyako o be gate. So I started just trying to ease my mind, but before I know it nesekele addicted. And within that addiction le batho ba ke dulang le bone, the quality of people ba ke dulang le bone ba change. I'm with drug addicts, and as you asked tšhelete e tswa kae. Now we must do crime. Now re tlamela go utswa in order to be able to have money. So I started off as a young boy who's confused, who was in pain. I did drugs. The drugs turned my character into an addict. The addiction turned me into a criminal. And the criminal mentality changed my whole disposition, ko bophilong.
yeah
And that's why Modimo aile a stopa bophelo bone ke bophelo. Because first I had to admit gore ke change sheets. My parents did their best gore ba nkise ko dikolong tse sharpo.
okay
Ne ke dlala di sports. I was a prefect, primary school and high school. Ne ke rata bophelo bo clean.
Yeah.
But life happened, and ne ke sa tsebe gore ke bo amogele jwang. And I made a mistake, and that mistake cost me almost half my life as a young man growing up.
Yeah.
But I'm grateful gore selo seo se le sa diega, because when I overcame my drug addiction, that's when I started following art. I've always been an artist. Ko re art ne ke e rata. Ko locationing ne re contest bo Mr.
Yeah.
and Miss. You know, re bina, re di boys to men. I was always about good looks. I was always about art and talent.
Okay.
But I had never thought gore nka nna moshomo wa ka. But when I was in rehab, I then realized gore God has put gifts inside of me.
Okay.
Mongwe le mongwe o na le ditalente.
Yeah.
Modimo nako e a re hemela a bopa motho o kentse moya wa gae. That is the breath of creation. That is a breath ya go bopa and to build new things. So when I got reintroduced go Modimo wa me,
Yeah.
he reintroduced me to myself. Ebe a mpontsha gore Mokgethi o na le bokgoni bona le bona le bona. If wena o nka sebetsa ka thata o ikemisetse, you'll succeed. I chose to believe God more than my situation.
Okay.
Ebe ke sebetsa. I said no to certain things. I changed my friends, and my mentality became a positive one. Ebe ke fumana bokgoni. I started becoming recognized as a model on ramps, and then sning ka etsa di advert bo KFC bo iwisa kae ko TV. Di director ge a dimpona motho o na le bokgoni.
Yeah.
And one day ke le mo SABC mona, because I was doing lenaneo la bana ba reng ke Thabang Thabong.
Thabang
Thabong, it's fun for you and me.
Yeah.
Ke nna yo, you know. And I was also doing the puppet. And ne ke dlala go le monate. I could finally provide for my family.
Yeah.
And le nna bokgoni bo ba botaki and the art in terms of whether it's drawing, whether it's acting, presenting, I was happy. Gore ke kgona ho etsa something ka mmele wa ka that not only makes the nation happy, but is also able to provide for my family. So ke ha ke fumana audition ya Generations ke le Thabang Thabong.
Yeah.
And I remember ga ba nneya that script. Moment ke se tshwara,
Yeah.
I said, I am going to Generations. Ising
Wow.
maybe, ising how I knew, because
Matla a lemi.
And I was prepared for it. How me, that was my scripture actually.
Wow.
The power of life and death lies in the tongue. You know, and we call those things that are not as if they are.
Yeah.
Kore nna ne ke kgolwa se ke sa se boneng.
Se boneng.
Se le ka gare go nna, I knew gore sa me ko rapela and to work hard
Yeah.
ke tla fitlha mane. So I prepared for that audition, and on the day that I went for it, ka jwetsa mama ka re, ma, I'm going to Generations,
Yeah.
and I'm going to get that job. Expect my call ke a gutla.
Wow.
And I came to the very same SABC e re dutseng kwa yone gone bjale, and did that audition. My life changed after that.
bophelo ba gago ba fetoga ka morago ga gore o be ko Generations
Ka nnete.
o bo shotse o na le mosadi ka nako eo?
Aowa, ne ke sena mosadi ka nako eo, ne ke le focused she. Kore the boy was focused. All I
o
want.
lebeletse gore o tswa kae, ha o nyake o boela moo?
No, you know, all I wanted was to work hard, provide for my family, pay for my brother's varsity fees, take care of my younger brother Tsepo, and make sure gore mme wa ka doesn't die because of
Yeah.
stress.
Wow.
You know, and I was single when I started, and then halfway through, nakwe ke le ko Thabang Thabong, I actually met mme wa bana at that time.
Okay.
And we started dating. I fell in love, and we dated for a couple of years, and ebe re nyala. I think I was doing my 3rd year at Generations because
Okay.
my contract was renewed. Kore ne ba e renewa every year.
Oh.
And then contract yaka ya mathomo was 3 months. But I played Samuel so well. The directors loved me. Babuhi ko gae, they loved what I was doing.
Yeah.
And then ntse ke promote here. So after the 3rd year, I realized, oh no, ha mo kgethi ko ntlong. Re sharpo, mom's happy, everybody's good. And now e re nna ke age lelapa la ntate.
Okay.
And I proposed. She said yes. We loved each other very well. We were on the covers of Drum magazine. We were on top billing. Kore, it was a beautiful union,
Yeah.
you know. And yeah, ne go le mnate. Generations. I did Gospel Time, Gospel Gold. I did Agape. Kore ne ke presenter ka mo ke etsa
Ka mo
Gospel
le ka
Gold.
mo.
Yeah, mfana na le busy.
Tšhelete e tsena.
Goed nie wiki, you know. Yeah, how monate.
A jolong ke nyaka go tseba gore nako o le ko Generations
Yeah.
le nako e le gore o tlo latlhegelwa ke dilo ka moka.
Yes.
O latlhegetswe ke dilo ka moka morago ga gore o tswe ko Generations goba nako e leng gore o sa le ko Generations ka baka la
No,
gore
it
go be
was
go šomega.
after. It was after because Nakwekele Generations, as I said, I had many contracts. Nesi Generations hela, you know, and leading. Because I'm also an MC, I'm an host. I mean, if you're a TV presenter, a radio presenter like
Yeah.
yourself, o kgona ho host any event, you know what I mean? So I had disposable income engata,
Eish.
and bophelo bole monate.
Yeah.
But then Satane ha rata ntho e ntle. Unfortunately, after 6 years on Generations, they decided not to renew my contract.
Yeah.
And it was nothing personal. The story had to evolve, you know.
Ge
But
storyline se ha se mo se fedile se fedile.
se fedile. But now, yes, I had to accept the storyline,
Okay.
but I had been doing this for 6 years.
Yeah.
Go Generations. It had been the biggest dream gone. So when it got taken away, ile antimatsa.
Yeah.
Yes, I could have done other things immediately or something, but I was too hurt. And so ebeke ikwalla.
Okay.
And then now, because I'm not getting that salary anymore, got Generations,
Yeah.
the standard of life started to decrease. And then the presenting gigs were good when they came on top of the salary.
Yeah.
It's saying hadily, if
Ile
it's the
tsona
only thing,
fela,
you know what I
yeah.
mean? And so financially, I started taking a knock. I couldn't do the things that I was able to do anymore. And then my confidence na as Tabi. So before anybody else, atlompua hampe or eng, I already felt like I'm less of a man. And that's another thing that I do when I address banna. I speak to men who've lost themselves, men who've lost their jobs, men who've lost their families.
Yeah.
And because I've been there myself, and when I lost those things, kore ke ile ka itumela gore ke tlale lenyatso. Ke ile ka inyatsa, ka itjhebela fatshe. And once I did that, I was no longer Thabiso Yola or Bright. So even opportunities ne ke sa di bone anymore. So sometimes in life we go through sorrows. It's life. But when we dwell in that place of sorrow, kore ra ithibela from overcoming that situation. So I stayed in a place of depression. And then unfortunately for me, while I was going through unemployment, Mewaka, let's help my younger brother, were in a car accident. Ebe ba hlokafala. So my father had passed away, and that's why ke ile ka qala ho sebetsa. Ha se ho le sharpo, my younger brother is driving mom, amisa go society. And a drunk driver came, abachaisa head-on collision.
Yeah.
Mama Letshepo, they passed away. And my mom was my queen. Mewaka was everything to me. Kore unrutile bophelo.
E be le
And
ka ngwaga mang?
it was in 2013.
Okay.
2013, April 7. Ne ke le ko ntlung, at my marital place, and then my brother came, my older brother, a fihla le di-cousins tsa me, goseng ka bo ma 6. Thabiso, ra o hloka, mama's not feeling well. Mom and I were very close.
Yeah.
So na ke a maka, mom's not feeling well, why is I'm phoning? But anyway, ke ne koloing, ke shape koloi, ke ko Spruit View.
Yeah.
When I get there, ke fumana ona dikoloi nyana,
Eish.
you know, but ke dom. I just want to see mom. Ke a kena ko sitting room, ke a matha, ke ka moreng. Mama, hayo ka moreng. And then malome wa ka e batla, re mokgethi dula fatshe. Ge ke dula ba re no, go hlaile kotsi.
Eish.
Mme wa gago ga sa le, o re siile. At that moment, ke nagane Tshepo. Ke re Tshepo o kae? Ba re, dula fatshe. Ke re, man, dula fatshe ha eng? O kae Tshepo? Ba re no, le Tshepo o ile. Ke yena na driver, bomma ba dutse morago. And my life had already been in pain. Kore ne ke le bohlokong. But bona ne ke sa bo understand,
Yeah.
you know. And I went into depression after we buried mom and Tshepo. And that means I also couldn't work creatively. I mean, ke artist, you know. So ke sebetsa ka maikutlo, you know. And I had no peace in my mind. Ne ke sena peace ko pelong.
Yeah.
And I certainly didn't have peace in my body. And what that did is ile ya etsa hore tsotlhego e be ngata even more. So now I'm depressed, I'm broken, and I'm broke.
Eish.
And because of all these things, Lili Nyalo Laga was also taking a knock. Because at that time, Litabiso is no longer the same Tabiso. You know what I mean? There's pressures. I will only speak about my mistakes and not my ex-wife's
Yeah.
mistakes. I'll only speak about my thought process and not hers. So when I look back, I realized that we were facing a lot of problems and I didn't know how to deal with them.
Okay.
I didn't have somebody, Oling Munna Pelaga, or even a mother to help guide me. I had never been in that situation and I was lost and I was alone. Even though I was married, ne ke feel nkare ke mongwe. And eventually, mme wa bana a kopa divorce.
Okay.
And that for me was, kore ne ke nagana hore go bohloko ne?
Yeah.
But now, ha una mmereko, ha una batswadi, ha una metswalle, ha una tšhelete,
Yeah.
ha o sana mosadi.
Yo. Kore lefatshe la o ko ka re le ka bulega wa
Ai
tsena.
man mamela be ke ngathi ngiyahlanya
Ei.
kore ne ke sa ikutlwe, you know. And that is when things for me, I was in a very dark place.
Yeah.
And it's so funny ha ke bolela ka testimony yami nkare ke story, but even as I sit here ko jwetsa, I'm like, boy, you really did go through it. Because while I was facing that divorce, my older brother Yoki Setseng Liena Sihle was murdered.
Yo.
So hamkheti bafela kaofela wasalan. Both my older brother, younger brother, mother, father,
Mama,
grandparents, you know, and I was alone. But that's the mistake I made. Ke ile ka re ke mongwe. Ne ke lebetse gore Modimo santsana le gona.
Yeah.
But where I was physically, I was alone. And it's in that place of depression, darkness, grief, le bohloko bo sa feleng, that people started suggesting to me, hore emkheti, when I'm only busy, Jesus this, Jesus
Yeah.
that, what about bageno?
Ke sa re ke tlo botsisha gore ape go tlhokofaletše ke mma go tlo tla bo mankoko
Ee.
a re nyatše ditumelo tša batho
Yeah.
tumelo engwe le engwe e botlhokwa go dumela go yona ba tlo go botsa gore gore o šale o phela ke ke lebaka la gore bokoko go le boragolo ba ba robetšeng ba go nyaka ba direle se seng.
That's it. That's exactly what they said to me, Mankoko. Ba re mokgethi o na le pitso. And pitso eo ya otla. O lahletse ke dilo kaofela. Ntse o shebile Modimo fela. Badimo ba gago ba o otla hobane wena o ba furalletse.
Yeah.
Ne ke sa batlo e golwa. But ha ke sheba maemo a ka le nna, ke re,
Wa
you know what,
dumela.
maybe it's true. E re ke ilo consult. E re ba nhlape.
Yeah.
E re ba ntukise. And then ka consultation yewe, ke mo ke thomang teng my journey ya bosangoma.
e le gore ka gae go tswa kua moragorago go boragolo le bokoko be go na le motho e leng gore ke sangkoma ka gae.
Ke le ba ba teng, especially on
Okay.
my mother's side.
Oh.
Na ke le khalate a kere. Mme ke moZulu, ntate ke Mosotho.
Yeah.
So on my mother's side, ebengunini, yes, very traditional. Le mamogolo wa ka ya nyanyeng a siela mme letswele. She's a sangoma.
And I gone ska dumela ge ba le gona ka gae batho ba go botsa ka ene tsele o go re yana.
And le nna ge ke lo testa, utla ke lo testa, ge ke lo
consult.
ke lo consult, ke lo phupuletsa, they would come up, you know, and then
Okay.
bosiu se ke ba lora. And what I realize now is that nako e ke nna ke lo batla bophelo bo ka one ke lo consulta. Ke le ka bula lebati le ne le tswalegile.
Okay.
And then memoya ke ga etla e tlo bolela le nna. I started receiving guidance from batho ba hlokafetseng
Eish.
and guiding me gore moriana o so o etsa so o tlamela o tsamaye o ilo thwasa o ye KZN ka tsamaya ka
Ebile ba o bontshitse gore tshwantse o thwasa kae?
yes ditorong.
Yeah.
And ha ke tsoa nna ha ona motho na dula a ntjwetsa re Thabiso pitso ya ka was traditional from ditoro to hearing drums to looking at the suffering in my life but also to receive ditaelo ne se ke le motho ya fumanang ditaelo ba re mkgethi tsoa o saying go to the river etsa tjena le mme o nna nthwasisa ke le ka bontshwa yena gore tsamaya ye ko KZN ha o fitla o tlo fumana mme o tjena le tjena
Yeah.
o mo jwetsa o rosmang o emets and ka nnete ka mo fumana.
Yeah.
So these things ha se ke phetha ditaelo the things they were telling me ne ke di bona.
Okay.
You know e seng gore ne ke e foster and then tshepo ya ka ine e phahama hape because ne ke kwatetse modimo gore wena o nlahlile o nkile lenyalo la ka o nkile mme o nkile ntate o nkile bana ba go gae gore wa nsotla and that's why ke tloya ho badimo ba ka ba nratang.
Yeah.
And because I've lost mme le ntate le bone kaofela ge ke communicator le bone ne ke tlala ka lethabo and I felt responsible as mogeti ya setseng gore ke lokisa dilo tsa lelapa ka setso.
Yeah.
And then tsa ke fumana le matla le nna ka lo dula dithabeng kwana
Yeah.
ke ba nruta bongoma ke ta ntho e nngwe
Ga botse tshwantse ke re thokoza.
mamela nna ne ke thokoza nna
Yeah.
I used to live by the ocean was my office.
Yo.
You know batho ne ke sa ba rate anymore ne ke rata memoya ne ke rata thulo e ba mphang yone le mosebetsi le gore batho ha ba fitlhile ke gona go bona mathata a bone ke ba ne this and that ba phele ebe ke ikutlwa ke le
na le
responsible ke na le matla ke na le purpose ebe ke gola here within that sangoma journey of mine ke tlo fumana bana
Yeah.
di-client nna tlamehile jwale ke ba traine ebe masangoma jwale ke a graduate ke nna gobela
Hey.
wa go traina ba bangwe
O bile wa ba le mathosana?
wankoko
Yo.
and that is when modimo wa ka a tlo gutla go nna ne ke le ko Ndumbeng. Ndumba is a traditional house ya ho heala like a doctor's office ya
Ndomo ya
masango
gago bo e diretse kae?
ko
Ka
Spruit
gae-
View
Oh.
ko Spruit View lapeng ha mokgethi so ke le ko Ndumbeng mo ke na le lethwasane
Yeah.
lethwasane kaosane ke tlamehile ke le graduateise bosiu bo we ha re prepare e boroko bo fihle go nna
Okay.
but then all of a sudden gore nje so and then kutlwe a voice saying to me Thabiso ha ka o biletsa ntwena Thabiso ngwana ka bophelo bo bophelang ha se ba hao
Yo.
ke a o bitsa o gotle gae tlogela ntho tse kaofela o gotle go nna and I'll take care of you ebe modimo a re I've been trying to stop you ka tsela e o e tsamayang o itsamaile until o di fagafaga
Yeah.
mara jwale o se o nka bana ba ka ba bangwe o ba kenya mo tseleng ya gago I want you to preach the word not against the word etswa that for me was tough because ka bosangoma bo ne ke gola ka bosangoma bo ne ke na le metswalle e metšha ka bosangoma bo ne ke na le purpose but for the fact ya gore modimo a re e kgatlhanong le thato ya gae I had to let it go ka tsoa o seng ka jwetsa lethwasane la ka ka re mosebetsi wa hao ka se kgone o etsa maobane ha ke a lala modimo a re ke tswe mo lefifing
E tse ka nako e ga bo ba ilukisitse dilo ka
Mamela.
moka di lokile.
Ba
emetse gore
lokisa.
le etla ngwana o etla.
yeah and le tšhelete ya ko tsebe gore ke chargeitse phe
Ee.
tlamehile gore le nna ba tlo nhlatswa matsogo
Dimpho tsela ba gore ke tšintšwana ka moka
modimo
tshwantse
a re
di
o
etle.
skanka le ete a re le tšhelete e khutlhele morao take nothing ka re ke tlo sotlhe a re tshepa nna ngwanole alla ka re there's nothing I can do ka re into zakho nazi kodwa uNkulunkulu uthi
e be le lethosana la mafelelo le leng re tshwantse le gae ba go sene ba bang
no ne le yena wa mathomo
oh
ne le wa mathomo she was opening the business for me the practice that side and I had to let her go a tsamaya aya somewhere else and from that day onwards ka dula ka kwala ndombe ka qala jwale ka re okay modimo because o bua le nna e re le nna ke bue le wena
wa dirang ka dipheko tsela tsa ka ndombe
ne ke di beile pele ne ke sa tsebe gore ke
O
di
rodiše
entseng
kae?
because I had been collecting them for over 3 years you know tse dingwe ke di latile kae kae mafaseng and one day ka khutlela kerekeng ke lo chaka there's a man who was walking around Gospel View a kenya invitation to kereke go gating kereke a tswa ke lo rekela dipianyana a ke tswa ke bona this letter. It's a Saturday. My friends were coming over, so I was literally going to get drinks. Ke bona this letter. Ha ke yentsha ke re, hey, you are invited to church. Ke re, church, mina ngisangoma, nime ngincane. Ke vaya. Reke ntho tsaka ke khutle. Ke be emergency le tseleng ya re tseleng. Yes, a ke sangoma, mara ntho tsaka santsane ke di kore I'm still not convicted. Ha ke so tlogele bongoma completely. Kore nje ha ke sa bona di client. But I'm holding on to setso sena saka.
okay
And then the guys came, we partied, but tawa ba robala na ka khona ho robala.
yo
Se ba dutse ha ka jwale ke ba shebile e ke re wenzakalani. And from there ke re ke a ka ntle. For some reason I search in my jacket and I find that letter.
yeah
E re tle kerekeng. Se ile Sunday morning.
okay
Ka khutlela ka tlung ka hlapa ka re God I'm going to go to church and ke ya ka tsona difagatse. O itse ke ye.
okay
Ha bankoba
ba o go
bankoba but I'm going to go lapetse.
Eish.
Ne se ke kgathetse ke tsa lefatshe. Ne se ke kgathetse ke bophelo bo ke bophelang.
Yeah.
And I wanted peace. Yes, I had money ya bongoma mara ne ke sna peace. And I went back to church. The man of God saw me azanga nkoba. Instead he put a Bible in my hands. I felt welcomed again. And that night ha ke fihlela ko ntlong ka utlwa difaga di nkimela. Ka nka thipa ka thapela ka di seha. Ebe ke robala. In the morning I was convicted gore I need to take everything ke di shese and start afresh. Ke inehele botjha ho modimo ka diabyalo. Ka re ha se ke qetile diabyalo modimo ebe atla ho nna a re ko file fame ko file power. For the past couple of years you've been using them to preach taba ya bosangoma ka tsela o phelang ka yona. There's many people ba tshwanang le wena ba iphumanang ile masangoma but their intention was not to be a sangoma. They were desperate, they were depressed, they were lost and they were looking for help. And then by phumana mowe and ba tshaba go tswa even though they know they're not supposed to be there. As you come out, I need you to tell the people that I told you to come out. Amponsa buka, there's a word that I want to read because this thing is, where's my phone?
oh ba go tshwaretse
Oh,
yona.
I'm sorry, it's on. But it go
A re ka ba kgopela ba
Deuteronomy,
itlisha gore o kgone go bala
please. It go Deuteronomy 10 verse 8 or 18 verse 10.
Ke
Ga nkabe ba
kgopela,
gone, ke a kgopela so that I don't misquote it because this quote is the reason why I stopped being a sangoma.
batho ba a re re sa emetšile ngwalo le o yang go lebala o boletse ka mokgwa e leng gore ge o bole sangoma ebile o le gobela o bona le tšhelete thabiso o bona le dilo tše ka moka e fela bo sena khutšo
Ka nnete.
o bo kwang moeng wa gago gore a ona khutšo pele ga go tlo kwa lentswi lela le boletseng le wena
For example, Busiu. Ke a leboha. Wa bona ha o butse ha o le motho wa o sebetsa ka memoya
yeah
and then o bule lesoba le o sa tlamehang hore o le bule. You become susceptible to those spirits. Kore nako e nna ke phahla
yeah
ke bitsa bagesho. Nako e ke phahla ke bitsa memoya. Ha se bagesho fela ba tele DJ.
yeah
Hona le moya e mebe lefatsheng mona. Those spirits they need a host. Host ko wena.
eish
And in order for them gore ba fulfill dilo tsa bone, o hloka gore ba bitso ba amogele.
ba dule mo go wena
And then ba tla phetha merero ya bone ka wena.
yeah
So sometimes ne ke re ha ke robetse ke tsoswe nna ke robetse thabiso ke kgathetse mara ke tsoswe ha ke tsowa ke bone sepoko ke bone motho wa moya
eish
a nlele a ntjwetse dilo o mong a ntjwetse gore o lahlile o batla ngwana hae semangmang o mong ke motho le a eme fela nagana bosiu o re wa phaphama o thole motho a eme betheng ya hao mane.
Yo.
And now you are taught ko bongomeng gore every spirit you encounter o tlamela go e botsa gore ke mang o tswa kae o rongwe ke mang o batla eng, so that maybe o tla kgona gore o ke wa lehlakodi la tate kapa ke la bomma kapa umndao, a roaming spirit. So peace there's no ways o tla nna le peace o bonana le batho ba hlokafetseng.
Ka nnete.
There's no ways you will have peace experiencing things in life that are supernatural. And even though I had new friends, ke etsa ntho tse ntjha, something in me ne ntjwetsa hore ye ga se tsela ya gago.
Yeah.
But because I felt there was no other way, I did it.
O ba
And
rutile gore go ka ro phafoga wa bona mosadi wa monna a wa tshwanela go tshoga o tshwanetse o ne o boledišana le ena.
o tlameha o bolela le ena ba re o etetse.
Oh.
And then o tlamehile ho tseba gore ke mang o tswa kae o rongwetse ke mang le gore se a se batlang ko wena ke eng. Ba bang ba kgona go roma gore kopa o ye ko lapeng la ka o ba kope tjena le tjena le tjena o mongwe o no fihla fela a dule, you know. And so I was experiencing such things ko botshelong ba ka, but I also didn't have peace knowing gore I'm a Christian deep down, you know. And no ke kopanya dilo tse pedi. And most ya masangoma a tla o jwetsa gore nna ke a kgolwa go modimo ke a mo rapela le nna nako e ke le sangoma ne ke mo rapela.
E ka re batla botsa re ke rapela modimo o ra nthushe ke kgone go go thusha.
That's true. Le nna ne ke etsa bjalo until ene a re no.
Okay.
And for me, what changed me, because I could justify it, ke re ke thusa batho ke etsang, but ha lentswe se le tswile
Yeah.
ne nka se kgone go le phigisha.
Okay.
Did I take a picture of this? Ganyane ke kgopela gore ke go once ke bale temana ye.
Okay.
All right. Ore, when you enter the land the Lord your God is giving you, do not learn to imitate the detestable ways of the nations there. Let not anyone be found among you who sacrifices their son or daughter in the fire, who practices divination or sorcery, interprets omens, engages in witchcraft, or casts spells, or is a medium, or is a spiritist, and then the final part, or who consults the dead. In closing, anyone who does these things is detestable to the Lord. Because of the same detestable practices, the Lord your God will drive out these nations before you. But as for you, Thabiso Mokgethi,
Yeah.
as for you who calls yourself a Christian, you must be blameless before the Lord your God. So modimo ga re ntho tsena ga di gona. Mara o re ge nkebe wena o wa ka, don't mix me.
Okay.
Tshepa nna. Yes, I understand you've lost your job. I understand poverty is in your house.
Ke sa le modimo.
Ke modimo go le bjalo. I understand una le bolwetsi bo doctor ba reng ba ka se kgone
Ka
go bo
se fole,
fetsa.
yeah.
Empa nna ga ke doctor ke modimo. Ya mosadi o sile o lahlile. Empa nna ke tshepisitse hore nka se o siye nka se o lahle.
Yeah.
My problem ne ke rata dilo tsa modimo go feta modimo.
Okay.
Ne ke rata di blessings tsa gagwe more than the blesser. And when the blessings were taken away from me, I felt God was away from me. That's the mistake re etsang ka bontši ba rona.
Okay.
Taba ya setso is a beautiful thing. Now I will always be a culture activist,
Yeah.
but I will always also be a Christian. I'm born African, but I'm saved by Christ.
Wow.
And those two are not in competition.
O mongwe le o mongwe ga a dire se se mo šomelang ka bojotlhe jwa gagwe.
Yes.
Wow.
Nna ke pheta ditaelo tsa modimo ka bophelo ba ka.
Yeah.
And I share based on ke a tseba gore there's people like me who are Christians ba ratang modimo ba tsebang gore o teng empa ba lwana ntwa ya memoya ye ba sa e tsebeng. And I'm saying to them, ka ge o bula o tsamaya dipleke tse kaofela,
Yeah.
you are opening doors you've got no reason opening. Tshepa modimo wa gago, mo emele, be patient.
Wow.
I came out of Bongoma Bo, a re ke tswe. people ba ne ke le masangoma le bone, including one of my gobelas, because ne se ke na le digobela tse pedi.
Okay.
Ke le ka thosa habedi. But
Yo.
that's another story. But gobela wa ka o mongwe, she was so angry. And jwetsa the way ke tlo hlanyang ka teng.
Go tlogela bongoma.
The way ke tlo sotlehang ka teng. Are if o nagana o kile wa sotleha before, you've never seen what's about to happen.
Yeah.
Wa tseba ka mo jwetsa ka pelo e sweu. Ka re nna ha ke sa tshaba. Dintho kaofela tse ne ke di tshaba, I've gone through them. I've faced them and I'm still here. My God still loves me even after the mistake tsa ka tsena kaofela. But most importantly, I will not be afraid to do ntwena modimo a reng ke etse.
Okay.
Hobane ke tshaba motho o mong o phelang kapa o sa le yong. Ke re my God is a God over the living and the dead. And ga ona motho ya nang le matla go feta modimo. He nna ke phethe ditaelo tsa modimo. Ha nkabe badimo ba ka ba lokile ba tla thaba ka seo.
Yeah.
But anyone who wants me to go against God's word is not a part of my journey. So I love my ancestors. Ke ba rata bo Mokgethi, ke ba rata bo Ramphele. Ngiyabathanda bengoni, ngiyamthanda uBhungane uMangelengelo uMshwabateli. Ke ba tseba ke ayikitsi.
Yeah.
Ngingane kaMzimela mina, ngulwandle olungabulelwa inkomo ezibhabha phezulu. Ke mohlaloga.
Wow.
Kore di fane tsa ka dingata. But there's one God. Ge ke dutse ha, go dutse bone kaofela.
Yeah.
But I don't need to bow to them for them to know they exist. Ke nna Mokgethi. And nna ke nka bo Mokgethi kaofela. And we bow to God who gave us life. And ever since I've done that, I've been preaching, sharing the word of God,
Yeah.
sharing the freedom tokoloho ye modimo a mphileng yona. I've studied. I studied in Miami. I passed top 10 in my class. They said I'll go crazy. I graduated top 10 in an international class.
Wow.
Once I finished, I was given a position overseas. Ke qeta ho kgutla last month, end of the month. And I've been traveling the world from Argentina, Europe, Brazil, Ushuaia, as an international art dealer.
Okay.
I've studied marketing, I've studied sales. I'm now an international brand communicator. I'm an artist manager, and I'm also an evangelist.
Ebile o sala ga botse ka tlhong, ga wa tlo tlhakatlhakana se tshela ba go boditseng gore o ka
Instead,
se
I'm
lo-
improving. Bophelo ba me be a improver.
Yeah.
And all I do is give credit to God. I'm not perfect, ke motho. But modimo wa ka perfects my walk every day. And I think unsavile
Yeah.
because batho ba nrata and they grew up with me ko TV. And ha re gola we experience problems.
Yeah.
And most celebrities only show you the beautiful part of their lives.
Yeah. A se ba bantši ba ba ka dulang go tshwana le wena ba tlhalosa.
Nna
Ka
ko
baka la
bontsha
rena re
behind
ifatsela
the
go atlhola, ra go
scenes.
judge-a.
Hey, now I'm showing you behind the scenes. Gore, I come from nothing.
Yeah.
I worked and got the things I needed. I lost them all. But ka Modimo fela, I am in the process of restoration. I am in renewal. But most importantly, I'm at peace. And bophelo ba ka ke a bo bona gore bo ya kae.
Thabiso, ke nagana gore go na le dikoša tše dintšhi tše di ka hlatlhang bophelo ba gago. Ra tseba gore o mongwe re wa tseba keng o ntše re mo a ntloša mo a mpeya mo.
Yeah.
O mongwe re a e sala mphitlhela ke maketše fela.
Yes,
Ke ipotša
yes.
gore wena o mo rata ka ye efe koša. Ka baka la gore yo bophelo ba gago
Ke na
o
le
ka re
yona.
a se wena man. O ka re
I
ke-
know.
o ka re ke
You know,
drama.
there's a time, I won't forget this. I was in Argentina. Ebe ke siya di group ya batho ba ke sepelang le bone. Ke
Yeah.
itahla, you know, ke itahla nje. And I started walking in this country. And I got to a park and I sat down. Ebe ke fihlelwa ke dikeledi.
Yeah.
And I started crying. And I realized for the first time in a long time, I'm crying tears of joy.
Wow.
I'm crying not somebody because somebody put $1 million in my account or what. I'm crying because ke a phela. And modimo ke a mutlo wa phela ka hare ho nna.
Yeah.
Gore o nkile mathateng a ka, flew me across the world just so he can heal me. And all I did kore ke dumele ge a mpitsa gape. Ba bangwe ba rona re tshaba go khutlela gape. Today I say go back. Go back to your first love. Modimo santsane ya le modimo, and ha morena Jesu a re shwela o ne a shwela gone gowe gore ge go le boima ge o sa tsebe yena wa tseba. And so I'm very, very grateful, Mankoko, even to be here with you. Wow. It's part of my continuing journey, le Morena, my journey of restoration. And ga ba go gae ba re bona ko thobela, ba re bona ko di TV, ko di kai, they get encouraged. Thabiso Mokgethi is like a picture to say, no matter how far gone you are, God is still God. Ge o khutlela go yena, o tla khutlisa tsohle.
O boletše polelo ye nngwe ge re feleletša
O batla pina ya ka gape a ke.
ke pele o tlo tswalela ka polelo yo wa ba wa mpotša ka koša. O boletše polelo ye nngwe ya gore badimo ba dirang bophelong ba gago modimo o direng kwa moragonyana.
Yes.
Go bo bolela gore o tswaletše le lebati la badimo e fela.
Badimo ba ka were my birth.
Yeah.
They are my history, they are my creation. Modimo ba kgethile gore nna ke tla hlaga through bone.
Yeah.
They are my first point of contact mo lefaseng. Lerato la modimo before ke le fumana kai ke le fumane ho mme le tate and my family members. Jwale their essences in me. Ha motho a re Thabiso wa hlompha. That's because of my mother and father. Ke mosebetsi wa badimo ba ka.
A re tswale mo ka se fetse. No tshanga ga gore o be mogaishi wa selemoya.
And then Modimo is my everything.
Yeah.
He's my guide and my savior.
Okay.
And then he mpotsa ka kosha, go na le kosha that sums up everything for me. Coincidentally, ke Mokgethi le yena.
Wow.
Zaza Mokgethi. Yes. And ke mo rata gagolo santsane ana le joyous celebration in that particular song. Namhla Nkosi.
Ai.
Namhla Nkosi.
Yo.
Ngiyamangala. Uma ngibheka muva kube wena waungena mi ngabe ngafelendle leni. Amen.
Ai. Ke gopela di gokaganyo tša leago di social media accounts tša gago re tswalle pele ga go tlo relate re sepele.
Eish, kopa di checka ke ska lefatse wrong.
Yeah.
But for also the bookings tsami, if people want to call me to evangelize, to MC, to give a power talk, or to maybe use me to promote their product, bankane ba mfumana go Thabiso Mokgethi.
Okay.
THABISO MOKHETHI 777, the number 783 at gmail.com. So Thabiso Mokgethi 777 at gmail.com. And then Erike check my Instagram. I'm catching up to this vibe.
Ape a ke re bodi lebetse ke nagana re le sela thekeng go boslolo sa se shumishe.
Yeah. And then Iri King or Tabs at Tabs Da King. That is on TikTok. Tabs Da King. It's spelled THABZDAKING.
Okay.
And then go Instagram. Simply Thabiso Mokgethi.
Ba ile gore ba kanya ka jeding batla go leletsa ke nagana gore nomoro ba itshwere.
Nomoro. Okay. Use it wisely, guys. The bookings. Kana, what else can we use a number for?
Ai, tshintja re di nyakere nyakela yona yo fela.
Guys, I am available and thank you also for this opportunity. Your boy Thabiso Kevin Mokgethi, God's son, is available at your service 063 049 6598. Labofelo 063 049 6598.
Thabiso ga Mokgethi nena ke thebetse go bolela le wena go taba ya ka le Mankoko mo go Thobela FM.
Mankoko Berry, every time I see you, I fall in love. Thank you for hosting
Ona le
me.
ntwe nyaka go mpotsa yona.
It's in public.
Okay.
But lerato la gago
Yeah.
le teng ka gare go nna.
Ke a leboga.
Thank you for being who you are, not only to me, but to the nation.
Se ka nyaka go ntetša ke a leboga ka bo kopana nna le wena re tswelle gona mo taba ya ka le Mankoko baby ke Thabiso ga Mokgethi a gone ka mokgore ka itswellang ka gona ka ntle le gore o tshwanetse gore o tsebe mo tswang gore o tsebe mo yang gona fitlhela re tlo kopana gape nakong e tlang tata.